It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive. In the name of God.
This video is going to be about our Mancation. Yeah, we took it back in October 2020. I tried to put it on Facebook, but they wouldn't allow me for some reason. So I just found it. So we're going to put it back on. That's my oldest son, Michael. I'm bummed out. I was supposed to be going to get him this summer with my leg, but I can't. But he's my big boy. He's a miracle child. His mom, when she was pregnant, had appendicitis. Michael was born 3 months early and was in the IC NICU. He had 21 brain surgeries before he was 2. He is my miracle. I mean, all my children are my miracle children, but he is really a miracle. Definitely. He's my inspiration. Keeps me going, keeps me moving. But hey, check out the video, our family time, our Mancation. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Okay, it's about to get scary. That fun, buddy? No, you gotta sit down. You gotta sit down. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Hold on right here.
You can hold on to the handles next to you, or you can hold on to the ones up here. Either one.
Either one.
All right. Hold on to the handles. Hold on down for me.
Woo! Oh my God! You can pick that up though. Nasty slippage. You can pick that up. So hit it on the right side, right between that first pin and that second on the right side. You see that front pin? Hit it on this side or on the right side and hit over there. You got this. You can do this. Yeah! Yeah! With a pickup! With a pickup! That's PBA all the way, baby.
All this is great one. I knew it was going to knock that over. And the ball was going to go.
Keep that shit over. Hold it. Keep it going. Keep it going. Good shot. Don't stop it. Yeah, keep going. Man. Yeah, there's some more right now. Good job. Put some bass in that scream though. Push off. Push off with your hands. Push. Right. All right, look, don't throw it, don't throw it. Sit it down, put it down, push it. There you go. Be careful. Is it sunshine out here? It feels good. Watch yourself. You having fun? Where we go? We went to the swimming. Went to the pool. Your voice getting deep? Yeah. What's my name? Yeah. You wanna go to California? Yeah. Oh, okay. California, IA? You wanna go to Hawaii, huh? Oh, you got that baller taste, Michael. All right. All right, well, Daddy'll make sure I find a way to get you to Hawaii somehow, some way. You enjoyed your mancation? You wanna say hi? Go ahead, say hi to everybody. I love you, buddy. You're the best. You're the big boy. You're such a big boy. You turned into a young man, Michael.
have it. The Doctor and MTB Kid Kai and Lil Michael's Mancation. I love these two. They're my world. I love my daughters too. They're my world also. But man, did we have a blast on this Mancation. Just daddy with his two young men having a blast. Having a blast. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Everybody like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, share, do whatever you can to support. We appreciate it. Everyone have a blessed, wonderful day. As always, peace. Deuces. I'm out.